And good day. Today we're having a look at this. This is a little bag or an accessory that I bought for my Xiaomi Fimi A3. You've got a little zipper area here which you can put bits and pieces in. You've got two elastic pockets, one on either side, a backpack for carrying, little hook here for hanging, and a handle also for carrying. So we'll open up the case, have a little look inside, and you've got in the flap at the top here, you've got a little area here that you can put bits and pieces in, a little bit of foam protective, and that's what it looks like inside the case. We've got plenty of room, as you can see. We can put 3 batteries in there quite easy. They fit in quite nice. You've got an area to pop in propellers which go in there nicely itself. Obviously the controller, radio itself fits in there really well, and the quad slots in beautifully. And that's it. You've got other areas that you can put bits and pieces, as I've already said. Better put that over the top, pop that over, close her down, zip her up, and there you go. I'm just having a look at the stitching on the bag. Everything's nice and straight. Not certain what this handle's made out of. Don't know if it's aluminium or plastic. It's a funny feel. It's probably plastic. And again, stitching is very, very nice. Yep. You've got little adjusters for your belt. Overall, quite happy with that. It's not overly expensive and appears to be doing the job so far perfectly. Now, one thing you can do with these propeller boxes, I'll just put them to the side. If you bought this particular bag, they just fit beautifully in the side in these elastic pockets. So your propellers are protected. So I mean, that is a great little add-on, I think, for my little backpack. I bought this bag from Banggood, and they do have hard case ones as well. I personally prefer the soft ones. Shipping was amazing. I'll put up a screenshot of the actual delivery so you can see that I'm not pretending. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next video. If you do like my videos, please click the subscribe button, and next to the subscribe button there's a little bell. Click the bell and select all, and you will be notified of all my new videos. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.